Hi, Kyler with FlexArm. In this week's Robotics and Manufacturing episode, we'll show you how easy it is to move our READY robot. We have been moving into our brand new state-of-the-art facility these last 2 weeks, so we figured showing you how easily the robot moves was a fitting topic. The mobility of the READY robot is important to us because we tend multiple CNC machines in our shop with the same robot. All it takes for us to move it from one machine to another is unplugging the power and air, raising the feet, rolling it over to the next machine, calibrating it, using the socket and alignment plug provided by READY Robotics, and we're ready to go. This mobility, coupled with the READY Robotics user interface that makes anyone a capable robot programmer, gives us the automation versatility we need in our shop. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or are looking to integrate robotics into your shop, give us a call, 1-800-837-2503.